Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now I'm on to another smoothie recipe, really quick and delicious. All right guys, yes, look right there. And this is my mango carrot smoothie. I have some frozen mangoes here. You know I freeze my stuff. I have some shredded carrot, about a cup or one of this carrot, medium size. I have some orange. I'm using one orange today. I have the inside and everything, the pegs, half of it there, and I juice the other half to add somewhat liquid so it can blend a little bit better. I'm gonna use a few little pieces of ginger. You can use the powder if it's your desire. And here I have some almond milk. I'm gonna use some almond milk as well. Not too much now, about maybe quarter cup to half cup, just to give me enough juice to blend. At this time you can add some honey if you want, but this mango is from Jamaica and it's really sweet. You can just take a little bit and eat it just like that. I'm telling you, boy. To start off, I'm gonna add my frozen mangoes. It's about one medium-sized mango, or if it's big you can use half of mango. Next I'm gonna add my oranges, or half of orange. And I'm gonna add my ginger. I love fresh cut ginger, and I leave the skin on and everything. I just make sure I wash it good and cut it up small. And the last thing, I'm gonna add the carrots, because the carrot I'm adding now, it's closer towards the part that I'm gonna blend. And you know, say carrot take a little bit longer time to blend. So if you're using a regular blender, you would put the carrot like first so it can start blend right away. And I'm gonna add my quarter cup orange juice. And as I said before guys, you can add about a tea or tablespoon of honey. And this is my almond milk. You can use yogurt if you want guys. I'm gonna put about half cup, and that's it. We're gonna cover this bad boy and we're gonna blend. All right, let's blend. And that's it guys, we're gonna serve up some. And here goes. Look at that goodness guys, look at that. Super healthy and refreshing. And as you know, I always put my glass in the freezer about 1 to 2 minutes, you know, ahead of time. And that's it. Look at the richness guys, can you see that? Okay, let's pour some in. Woo! And guys, that's the final result. That's my yummy carrot and mango smoothie, or you can say mango and carrot and mango, whichever way. Is the same ingredients in it with a little bit of ginger. And the orange juice, add to it. You can put lime or lemon juice if you want, it's up to you. And look at it my peeps, yes. That's the final result. Weight loss smoothie coming your way. Really good. Have lots of antioxidants in it from the carotene. Provide good health for your eyes, good for digestion, good for weight loss. It's gonna clean you and it's gonna build you. Lots of vitamins from your mangoes. All of it good for digestion. Really healthy and good. No sugar added guys. Really natural. This is good for vegan and vegetarian, Rastafarian, everybody on a whole. Just drink up some natural smoothie. All right, guys, one love and be blessed. Look at it. Can you see it? Ooh. I'm gonna have this tall glass now for my breakfast. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.